Everyone's telling you to build a personal brand, but no one's answering the one question that's keeping you up at night. What the hell do I actually post? In this video, I'm gonna give you the 4 A's framework to never run out of ideas. And I'll also give you a bonus video format at the end, which is very trending right now, so stick with me. After editing hundreds of videos over the years, including for some big channels with a million subscribers, I've reverse engineered what actually works for founders, especially. Today, I'm breaking down the exact content plan that's helping founders go from zero to the first 1,000 engaged followers with no guru status required. The biggest misconception that is killing founders is thinking you need to be some guru with all the wisdom in your domain. You don't. You just need to share your journey honestly. It could be as simple as, hey guys, I faced this problem, tried these 10 methods that failed, and finally found this solution that worked. That's it. You don't need to be the next Alex Hormozy or Elon Musk. There are two types of personal brands you can build. You either want to get leads for your business or you want to get famous. Now, if you clicked on this video, I think you want to get leads for your business. We'll talk about getting famous in some other video, but for now, let's focus on what content to post to get leads for your business. And this is where the 4 A's frameworks comes in. Think of these as the 4 legs of a table. Remove anyone and your content strategy topples over. Coming to pillar number 1, actionable content. This is where you directly solve your audience problems, giving actionable steps. It's straightforward, tactical, and implementation focused. For example, how we reduced churn by 43% in 60 days, or how I automated client onboarding in 30 minutes. These are action steps you give to your audience to go from point A to point B. Now, you might be thinking, but Varun, if I give all my strategies and action plans for free, who will buy my product? Good question. I'll explain you the viewer psychology. They watch your video and get excited, attempts to try on their own, finds out it's too complicated or time consuming for them. And they think if he's already solving this problem, why don't I just give it to him? And bang, there you have a customer. Share the information, sell the implementation. Pillar number 2, authoritative content. This is where you establish authority by breaking down industry trends and data-backed insights. Titles like why most AI startups will fail in 2026 or why freemium model is killing your business. The key here is to take complex ideas and make them accessible. Don't try to sound smart, try to make your audience feel smart. Now this helps you establish as the go-to expert in your niche. To take it to the next level, we have pillar number 3, which is aspirational content. This is where you paint the picture of what's possible. Success stories, case studies, and transformations. These are titles like how one customer used our tool to hit $1 million ARR, or case study, getting 43 inbound leads in 30 days for Joseph. This helps you build more trust because you're actually speaking with your real client. Now, this is even strong compared to the video testimonials you ask for your clients. What if they record something off and not include actual points? And you cannot ask your clients to reshoot the testimonial. With client interviews, you can exactly control what you want to extract from the client. Now, this is a massive trust pusher for your content. Pillar number 4, authentic content. Now, this is where you simply show up as a human being. Day in the life vlogs, behind the scenes, travel content, company culture, or simple Q&As. Titles like office tour, building a startup from a garage, what a crisis day looks like when your servers crash, or answering the 10 frequently asked questions. Now, this actually drives less business from your content, but it shows that you are a real human being and not some AI talking to the video. I suggest maybe upload just 1 or 2 videos like this every quarter. This is just to say that you are not a robot or AI. And then there's this new format which is coming up that is getting millions of views and making millions of dollars with this content format. Deep dive videos, a full 90 minutes plus video of in-depth explanation. I mean, just look at this, just millions and millions of views. And this is an interesting kind of format to work on and showcase your expertise. Something like X years of niche knowledge in Y minutes. Now, just cycle between those 5 types of content. This rotation ensures you're building a complete brand by playing to different strengths on different days. Now, let's talk about implementation. Most people waste time overthinking, perfecting the right script, and finding the right solution. Just start asking, what challenges did I overcome in my life? And speak about it, and make sure that the solutions you're telling is the offer that you're selling. For example, you overcome the challenge of, let's say, photography. and you speak about photography on your videos, but you're selling business coaching as a service on your sales page. Now, clearly there is a mismatch, right? That's why your viewers don't convert to buyers. There are two things that will make for a successful personal brand. That is volume and consistency. Every major founder influencer I studied had the same pattern, 6 to 12 months of consistent posting before their breakthrough. It wasn't one viral hit that built their audience, it was showing up consistently until the algorithms and audience recognize their value. I'm going to be sharing few example ideas for each specific pillar, so take a look at the first link in the description below. The founders who will thrive in 2025 and beyond won't be the ones with the best product or the most funding. They'll be the ones who have built the genuine connections with their audience. And now you might be like, okay, I've got to know what to post, but how do I script this and how do I tell a compelling story that converts cold viewers to buyers? That's what the next video is about. Click here to see that. And if you found this valuable, consider subscribing to my newsletter where I share more insights like this. I'll see you here.